And we're coming to you live from Johannesburg in South Africa. The Pretoria High Court was this Friday set to hear an application for leave to appeal in the debacle involving the family of Zambia's former president, the late Edgar Lungu, and the country's government following last week's court ruling in favour of the Zambian government that the former president's remains should be repatriated for burial in Zambia. However, the Lungus filed an urgent leave to appeal application opposing the judgment. After a brief appearance this Friday morning, the matter has been adjourned to Monday. Reports suggest that the two parties are locked in mediation talks. Lungu died in South Africa in June while he was receiving medical attention. And for more on this new development, we are joined on the line by our reporter, Michael Mbewe, who was at the court earlier today. Michael, good afternoon and thank you for joining us on Africa Update.
Good afternoon, Lulu. Good afternoon to our listeners in the continent, but also beyond, Lulu.
Now, briefly tell us what exactly happened this morning when the Lungu family appeared in court from the side of what's happening with this debacle.
Yes, Lulu, what we thought would be another daunting day of exchanges between, the two parties, the two applicants, both the defense and, the applicant, the government of Zambia. It was indeed a brief court appearance after almost 30 minutes to an hour of delay before commencement of the proceedings. Lulu, you...
I'm here, Michael. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much. As I was saying that after an hour of delay before the commencement of the proceedings due to ongoing consultations between, the two parties outside court, what we all expected never happened when both counsels representing both applicants came to a conclusion that they are in the middle of mediation. So what we also witnessed is that the Lungu family was not there this morning. And on their side, they were being represented by our own advocate, Toby SC. And the matter indeed has been adjourned until this Monday for more, finality to this matter. So I think there is a sense that there is a settlement that is unfolding between, the two parties, that maybe the matter should be settled out of court, and then Monday it will be just maybe a ruling to say, no, this is what we have agreed. That is what everybody who attended the court today was also, is also hoping to happen because of the exhaustion that everybody, has gone through this journey, Lulu.
You speak of exhaustion. Also, this particular case is very emotive, not only for the Lungu family, but also the Zambian government and the citizens of Zambia. Now, what's the way forward? Do you think, or is there talk of the fact that by Monday things could have been, or decisions could have been made by that time?
Yeah, because what is at the center of this impasse mainly is that the family doesn't want to see the current incumbent, the president of Zambia, Hakainde Hichilema, near anyway the funeral or the coffin of the late Zambian president Edgar Lungu. But just to highlight what you just asked me about, is there an end to this coming this Monday? I think I spoke to some of the officials who represented the Zambian side, whereby they really said, no, we are in talks, and there is hope that this matter will come to an end. Hence, we tried to get hold of the GA, who is currently the Attorney General, Mr. Lulu Gaboo, to speak to us today, but because he's also pinned in discussions in Zambia, the Zambian embassy the PA who always assists us with the interviews, I was just speaking to her now that she said, no, we've tried our best to get hold of him. This is what has happened, but I think we can speak again on Monday. So everybody, even the mood in the court today was not that emotional as it were on the day the judgment was passed. But also the other thing is that I think the family also would understand that the president only passed away on June the 5th, Lulu. And today we are almost on the 14th and the 15th. I mean, this has been a very long time. And I think it's high time that they also come to their senses and indeed come together and then rest this matter so that the late statesman can rest in peace as it were.
Now, Michael, just in wrapping up, say, hypothetically, let's say that agreements are reached and the president is repatriated, the former president is repatriated to Zambia. How long of a process will that take? And obviously, arrangements have been put on hold on both sides.
Yes. Okay. On that one, it depends on the decision that might come on Monday, or to whether the Lungus will accept the judgment, which now gives the Zambian government the powers to overtake, the body of the late statesman. So, the indicators are saying that it will be a very quick procedure because of they want to really indeed honor this sixth, Zambian president with dignity in front of the Zambian people, Lulu.
All right, Michael, we'll leave it there for today. Thank you for joining us on Africa Update. That's our reporter on the ground, Michael Mbewe, who has been covering the Lungu case. This is with the Zambian government and the Lungu family, basically fighting for the former late president burial in terms of where he should be laid to rest, with the Zambian government believing that he should be repatriated back home to Zambia, and with his family, the Lungu family, believing that he should be laid to rest in South Africa. A decision hopefully will be made by Monday, and that is something to look forward to. It is 20 after 12 Central African time.